Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 202. And if we start with this column, we're just missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this top row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1, and that makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got the 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. And for this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.